There were 1,600 pupils in a primary school. When the number of boys increased by 76 and the number of girls decreased by 4%, the total enrollment in the school increased by 3%. How many boys were there in the school at first? So at first there were 1,600 pupils in the school. When the boys increased by 76 and the girls decreased by 4%, the total enrollment in the school increased by 3%. This is the total. So I know that there were at first 1,600 pupils. Because of all these changes, it actually increased by 3%. So I need to find what is the new population in the school. So first I will use 3 over 100 times 1,600. So if I cancel this, I will get 48. Which means that the number of pupils actually increased by 48. Now, if we take a look at the number of boys, increased by 76. But the number of girls decreased by 4%. So, boys went up by 76, but girls went down by 4%. And as a result, this actually caused a final increment of 48. Which means that although the boys increased by 76, there was ultimately only an increment of 48. So 76 minus 48, and that gives us 28. It means that the 28 boys has been used to offset the decrease in the girls, which is 4%. So from here we know that 4% of the girls is equivalent to 28. So 1% of the girls will actually be equals to 7, and this is given by 28 divided by 4. Now to find the original number of girls at first, we just need to use 100%. So 100% is 7 times 100. That gives us 700 girls. Since there were 1,600 pupils in the primary school, which is given here, to find the number of boys, the question is asking how many boys were there at first. I just need to use 1,600 minus 700 girls, and that will give us 900 boys.